Are you ready to dive into some hair care magic? Today, we're spilling the tea on a kitchen superhero that's not just for cooking up deliciousness. Yup, you guessed it. We're talking about the Og of oils, the one and only olive oil. Let's roll that intro and get this hair party started. Number 10. Moisturization. Just like your skin, your hair craves hydration. And that's where olive oil swoops in like a superhero. With its nourishing blend of healthy fats and antioxidants, olive oil turns your hair into a silky, happy dance of moisturization. Say goodbye to those brittle, straw-like strands and hello to hair that feels like it just had a spa day. So whether you're battling dryness or just want a little extra pampering for your locks, olive oil is the trusty sidekick you need for some serious hair hydration. Number 9. Strengthening. Listen up, hair warriors. If you're tired of your hair breaking off like it's in a never-ending battle, it's time to bring in the heavy artillery. Olive oil. This stuff is like a secret strength potion for your locks, packed with vitamins and goodness. Olive oil swoops in to rescue your hair from the brink of disaster. It's like giving your hair a power boost, making it tougher than a superhero's cape. So, say goodbye to wimpy, fragile strands and hello to a mane that's ready to take on the world. With olive oil by your side, you're not just preventing breakage, you're unleashing the full potential of your hair. Number 8. Dandruff Control. We all know the struggle of dealing with a scalp that's flakier than a croissant. But guess what? Olive oil is here to save the day. It's like the ultimate scalp superhero, busting through dryness and dandruff like it's nobody's business. With its antibacterial and antifungal powers, olive oil turns your scalp into a happy, balanced oasis. No more scratching your head like a DJ. Just a refreshed scalp that's as comfortable as your favorite pajamas. So if you're ready to say peace out to those pesky white flakes, grab that olive oil and give your scalp the love it deserves. Number 7. Improved hair texture. Olive oil, my friend, is the ultimate hair smoother. It's like a magic wand that turns your hair from a wild jungle into a soft, touchable masterpiece. No more battling knots or wrestling with a brush. Just hair that's as smooth as a silk ribbon. So whether you're rocking a ponytail or letting your hair down, olive oil is the secret to unlocking the ultimate smooth operator status for your locks. Get ready to slay that hair game. Number 6. Promotes hair growth. Guess what? Olive oil isn't just for salads. It's also a backstage pass to the hair growth show. Imagine your hair follicles throwing a party, and olive oil is the VIP guest. Packed with that special something called aleuropine, olive oil gives your hair growth a boost like it's on a caffeine high. So if you're aiming for longer locks that could give Rapunzel a run for her money, start massaging in that olive oil. It's like giving your hair a front row seat to its own growth extravaganza. Number 5. Natural Shine Enhancer. If you're tired of lackluster, dull hair that's more met than marvelous, it's time to call in the olive oil reinforcements. This liquid gold isn't just for cooking. It's your ticket to hair that shines like it's walking the red carpet. Imagine your hair catching the light and dazzling like a disco ball. That's the power of olive oil. So if you're ready to transform your hair from blah to bling, grab that bottle of olive oil and let your mane steal the spotlight. Get ready to shine on, you radiant creature. Number 4. Reduced Frizz. Hey, frizz fighters, I've got a secret weapon for you, olive oil. Say goodbye to those wild hair days that make you look like you stuck your finger in an electrical socket. Olive oil is like a smooth operator, taming frizz like a pro. It's like your hair's own personal superhero, swooping in to save the day and leaving you with hair that's as sleek as a runway model. No more battling the humidity or dealing with unruly strands. just hair that's on its best behavior, thanks to the magic touch of olive oil. So if you're ready to rock that smooth, frizz-free look, grab that bottle and let the olive oil do its thing. Hello, gorgeous hair day. Number 3. Heat damage protection. Let's talk about saving your precious locks from the fiery wrath of those styling tools. Enter olive oil, your hair's new bef. This liquid guardian angel forms a protective shield, giving your hair a fighting chance against the heat. So, whether you're wielding a flat iron or going all out with a curling wand, slather on some olive oil before the battle begins. Number 2. Scalp Health. Let's dive into the root of the matter. Your scalp's health. Think of olive oil as the ultimate spa treatment for your noggin. When you massage it in, it's like your scalp is getting a front row ticket to relaxation town. Blood circulation? Check. Nutrient infusion? Check. It's like giving your scalp a big, cozy hug and saying, hey, thanks for growing all this amazing hair. So if you're ready to treat your scalp to a little tulle and encourage your hair to grow happy and strong, grab that olive oil. Number 1. Split ends prevention. All right, picture this. You're standing in front of the mirror, and instead of those annoying split ends making your hair look like a broom, it's all smooth and fabulous. That's the magic of olive oil, my friend. Think of it as the ultimate peacekeeper for your hair. Regularly treating your hair to a dose of olive oil is like sending those split ends packing on a one-way ticket. No more frazzled hair that looks like it's been through a tornado. Just beautifully sleek strands that make you want to flip your hair like a shampoo commercial star. So if you're dreaming of hair that's united, not divided, grab that olive oil and show those split ends who's boss. How to use olive oil for hair. Hot oil treatment. Warm up some olive oil and apply it to your scalp and hair. Cover with a shower cap and leave it on for about 30 minutes before shampooing. Overnight treatment. For a more intensive treatment, apply olive oil to your hair before bed, cover with a shower cap, and wash it out in the morning. Hair mask. Mix olive oil with other natural ingredients, like honey, yogurt, or egg, and use it as a hair mask to provide additional benefits. Leave-in conditioner. Apply a small amount of olive oil to the ends of your hair as a leave-in conditioner to prevent dryness and split ends. Styling aid. Apply a tiny amount of olive oil to your palms and run your hands through your hair to tame frizz and add shine. There you have it, hair champs. Olive oil's the name, hair magic's the game. From frizz taming to shine giving, it's your go-to sidekick. Smash that like, subscribe for more, and keep rocking those stunning locks.